In this video, I'll show you how to buy or sell fractional shares on Vanguard, step by step, so you can follow along directly inside your own account. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. To get started, log into your Vanguard account on the website, and make sure you're on the main account dashboard. Once you're logged in, move your cursor to the top menu, and look for the option labeled Buy and Sell. When you hover over it, you'll see a few choices appear. Go ahead and click on Buy and Sell to continue. On the next screen, you'll see the option to trade stocks or ETFs. This is where fractional share trading is supported. Select the option to trade stocks or ETFs, and Vanguard will then ask you to choose which account you want to use. Click the account drop-down and select the brokerage account where you want the trade to take place. After selecting your account, you'll see the option to either buy or sell. If you're buying fractional shares, choose Buy. If you're selling fractional shares you already own, choose Sell. The steps are very similar for both, so the process is easy to follow either way. Next, you'll be asked to search for the investment you want to trade. You can do this by typing in the stock symbol or by searching for the company name. Once you select the stock or ETF, Vanguard will show you real-time pricing information along with other details about the investment. This is where fractional shares come in. Instead of entering a full number of shares, you can enter a dollar amount. Vanguard will automatically calculate how much of a share that dollar amount will buy at the current price. If you already know the exact share amount you want, you can enter that as well, including fractional amounts. After entering the amount, you'll choose your order type. For most beginners, a market order is the simplest option, since it places the trade at the current market price. You'll also see details such as the estimated cost, any fees, and your available balance. Once you're ready, click Preview Order to review all the trade details. Take a moment to confirm the account, the investment, the amount, and whether you're buying or selling fractional shares. If everything is correct, click Submit to place the order. That's all it takes. You've now learned how to buy or sell fractional shares on Vanguard using dollar-based investing directly from your account. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.